really feeling good. And I'm like winded. I've been taking my breathing treatment every day. I taste it. And my voice is really low. And I have all this mucus. And my ears hurt. And my voice. And I'm coughing a lot. And I lose breath. It's cold. I hate cold. I really do. I wish it was over. But I just got out of work. I'm gonna head home. It's really cold. It's like -5 this morning, and now it still feels super cold. I'm really tired. My brain hurts because I've been doing a lot today. But I got a lot done. So that's a good thing. But my plans is for Friday, I'll print out pictures for my vision board to do with my CC. And I forget what else. And then I'm also going to start therapy this Friday. So I'm going to do that. Then I have a meeting in the morning on Saturday morning. And then, depending on what day does it snow a lot, I'm going to go to my sister's house or my house. Or stay at my house and do a vision board. Yay! Good morning. So I still feel sicky. My throat is still down. In the winter, it always takes me a minute to catch my breath. But I'm in the car. It's 7:41, and I gotta go to work. I don't like the cold at all. Yesterday after work, I went coupon shopping with my friend for the first time. And it was fun, so I'm learning so I can save money. You know, everybody loves to save money. So I saved, I think my total came out to $40, and I saved like $17. Almost half, like 48%. And yeah, I'm so excited. So I want to keep learning so I can get coupons, and then I don't have to spend money out of my pocket anymore. So, and then I came home, and then I took Star outside, and usually when I put her coat on, she don't run anywhere. Well, she went all the way behind the house, and there's no gates in between, like the houses in the back and stuff. And she was running, walking, smelling everything. She does not come back when I call her name. You know, stubborn Frenchie dogs. I've been out of breath. And I had my Uggs on with no socks. So the snow was getting in my shoe because the snow is high. And then I went back. Then I finally got her. I had to carry her like a mile back to the house. I was out of breath. And then I opened the door and I let Theo in. And then Star in. And then I sat on the kitchen floor and I hear my parents talking. I heard my dad say, "Are they still outside?" And then Mommy's like, "Why let Theo out?" And then the Star came around the corner. And then finally my mom came around the corner. I couldn't talk. I was out of breath. So I had to take my inhaler. I was sitting on the kitchen floor for like 10 minutes, out of breath. And then I finally got up. And I took my inhaler, took a shower, took my pills, and I knocked out. And now I'm up, and I didn't want to get up this morning. Neither did Star. And now we're going to work. Yeah. Tomorrow, I want to change my bed sheets. I think I want to print out more pictures. I have my therapy tomorrow. And I might want to go and buy a vision board. And I'm going to do another vision board with my sister. So yeah. BRB. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, I got you. I bought a new one, but I guess I don't have the time enough. But I made it to work. I need to be able to bring this salt bag up those stairs. So that's what I'm gonna do. But BRB, stay warm. I made it to rest with my mama, and she's trying on stuff. So which one? I don't know. Because I want to be able to take the picture out and put it in. This is a decision. Oh, this is $6.99. And then this. That's $9.99. This is $8.99. Let's see. So I think we're going with this one since it's $6.99. And then we're just going to put our pictures on top of this. And it's like glass. So you can probably design it and stuff. And then put it in the mat. So instead of changing my sheets, I just bought a new one from Ross. $17.99. And it's a 4-piece. And it kind of matches my comforter. But it's so cute. Yeah, I'm in a mood. Hey guys, it is 5 p.m. I am leaving my first session of therapy where they ask you a whole bunch of questions and go through all this stuff. It was a lot, and it was also an eye-opener of things that, like, I forgot or I blocked out from my past. So I think it went good. We'll see the next time and the next time. And I do have homework about one of my things. I don't know if I want to say it yet. Maybe I'll say it in the next one. But I'm going to go home. It's starting to get really, really cold. And I think I'm going to call my mom just to make sure we don't need anything since Giant and stuff is around here. And I can stop there, if anything. But yeah, BRB. So, this is what I do with every time I buy something new. But, I'm here, putting my sheets on. Look how cute it is. I love it. I love those. Now, I have to clean up this mess. Because this is what I want to do all the time. Right? The package even more. So, I'm going to give my hair a little trim because my hair feels like it's dragging down my curls, and I don't like when that happens. So I did wash my hair, dry my hair. I'm gonna cut it dry. Start with my video. What? My video. So when you have curly hair, it is better to cut dry than wet, because when it's wet, when you cut it wet, remember, when you cut it wet, your hair, when it dries, it's going to be wet. So I'd rather cut it dry because you can see where your curls are at, and then you can cut them, and you can see where it's going to be. So I've been cutting my own hair. I don't touch anyone. I don't go on anyone. I know people get those curly cuts and all that. But I do my own. I went to school. I never got my license, but I did go to school. And I do still cut like family members or friends, cut their hair and braid their hair, highlights, trim and stuff like that. I don't do it as much as I used to because I didn't diagnose myself with carpal tunnel from braiding a lot. Well, I've been braiding since I could braid when I started playing with my Barbie. So here it is, all cut and dry. My layers. My layers going down. Then I have it. Because you know, when your hair is curly, it's going to look so it's straight. But this is it dry right now, cut. I'll probably wet my hair tomorrow because it's too cold right now to put water in my hair. So we are going out when it's cold. I have my Hello Kitty hat, my red here, my PJs, all my PJs, skin socks, Timberland coat because it's super long. No. My video, Mama. And then I'm going to wear my Uggs. Let's get this adventure started. I went to CVS quick. I forgot to record. And I found these little photo album books that I'm going to use because I have Columbia, New York, my birthday. I think I have 3 that I printed out a whole bunch of pictures for. So what I'm going to try to do is print out my pictures and then buy a photo album. And then in the front, I think I'm going to decorate it and put like Columbia. Because I think that's what I printed out. New York. I put it in the front so I know which photo album is what. And then I want to delete my pictures off my phone. So this is going to be my mission for the next year. To get it off. A lot of these off my phone. Because I do have a lot of pictures in it, but I have them on SD stick thing. So those I'm going to keep in there. But I think I'm just going to start printing out my pictures and putting them in a photo album when I travel. So I have it all right there and delete it off my phone because I do have pictures up on social media, like on my Instagram and my TikTok. So if anything, I can choose screenshot it, if anything. Yeah. So now let's go to try it. So I'm gonna get this moving because I want to make this cinnamon roll that I found on cashew with coconut. I just want to try these coconut free. Covered. Now I need to go get chicken. Okay guys, so I am really enjoying my stuff. I got hot in there. But, so it was where I got hot. I had to take off my hat, I had to unzipper me. And I'm gonna go to Burger King and do the last thing because I need to go home and go to the bathroom. And I'm trying to hurry up. So, let's go to Burger King. Hopefully it's not a line because it's always a line. Everyone is out today because of the storm tomorrow. Also, I did go into T-Mobile to change my screen, my screen protector because it was broken. But when I went in, the lady that rang me out when I bought my iPhone 17, she did put the right screen protector for the phone that I bought. Because you know how like in T-Mobile, if you buy the screen protector, it's a lifetime warranty. Hold on, the old lion trying to rest. Anyways, and so I was there with Jose. I knew him forever, ever since I got my phone at T-Mobile. So, yeah. But I had to fix that issue. Well, he fixed the issue for me. And yeah. So now I'm going to Burger King. So, be happy. Oh god, look how crazy my hair is now. Like, look at it. It's sticking up. I didn't feel like doing my hair. I know I cut it yesterday and I said I was gonna do my hair, but I am so, like, lazy. And you know when, well, I don't know if everyone knows or lives on the east side of the U.S., when it snows or a storm, you don't want to do anything and you don't want to get dressed. Yeah, that's me right now. It's kind of crazy right now. But it's fine. What else? I'm going to order another Burger King. Well, I didn't go to sleep like this and then I fixed it in the morning because my bangs were out. And then I had to put a hat flat in my hair. Yeah. Let's order this food and then go home and stay home till like Tuesday or Wednesday. It's snowing. I am not excited for the snow, but I did my hair. It's curly now. Now it's more bouncy. My hair was dragging. No, I was not liking it. I think I need to buy another memory card for my camera. So I'm finishing up my photo album. This is the third one. I want to glue pictures right here. And at the top I put what it is. This one has two different things. But it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 6:30. I'm not gonna sleep anymore. But I'm gonna watch because I forgot to watch anime. So that's what I'm gonna do now. BRB. And we are out. The snow is as big as her. Look at all this snow. It's almost as big as that. When your mommy's having fun shoveling because of this snow. And there was a bunny over there. He came from over there, and then he went all the way down. He was so cute. Look, you can see his little track mark. Hey guys, so we went outside in the backyard so we can shovel and make a little path for the dogs because my dogs were about to be buried in the backyard because they were too little. And yeah, so we had to make a path just and it is really, really, really cold. Like you should be outside long because you were going to freeze. Of course, I want to record she wants to play. But we're snowed in. We're going to be snowed in. I think so far it's like 6 hours or something because it's already hot. And the snow is almost burying them. It's high enough. You just want to bark and bark. Did you just bark, Mama? Yeah, you just farted here. But I did just want to just talk about a little bit about the stuff going on in the world today. It's sad. It's upsetting. It's crazy because I feel like America was never like how it is right now. Right now it feels really, 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 really bad, really sad. The things that are happening with ICE, Trump, all of that. It's crazy. And I just feel like it shouldn't be about politics right now. It should be about human rights and humanity of others. And that we don't need to go as far as killing people or detaining 6-year-olds by themselves without the parents. Like, it's just crazy. And I am a Mexican and Puerto Rican and American. I was born here. I am Puerto Rican. I am Mexican. And it's just sad. I was never really into politics until Trump first ran in 2016. Yeah. I started paying attention, and I'm paying attention a lot more now. But I hope we can end up being in, how do you say that? Not a divided nation, but a unit. And we can all get together and we have to speak up when we need to. We can't be quiet now. It is not the time to be quiet. It is to, if you're protesting, if you're using your social media, your platform, if you can't go out, like, I really can't go out in this weather. I can't really go protest because of my chronic illnesses. But I do try to use my platform to speak up. And I do vote, because voting does matter, in my opinion. I know we all have different beliefs, different mind thinking, but I do feel like we are all one, and we should all be one, and our human rights should matter the most. And hoping that more people speak out, something does happen, and there is no more fear anywhere. And we can all get back to our lives and not have to fear to walk outside our doors, because we never know. But I just wanted to talk about that, and also end my video here. It is cold. It feels like 2 degrees over here. We are in a snow emergency. I am not going anywhere tomorrow. Tuesday, I'm not sure yet. But I cannot drive. I am not driving because my car is not good in snow. So if you are in an area with a snow right now, and you got a snowstorm and all that good stuff, please be warm, please be safe, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Say bye, Star.